Whenever you are building a desktop for gaming or any other use, it is highly important that you go with the right components. And apart from the internals, it also includes the cabinet or the case of your PC. This is due to the reason that without the right PC case, cooling can be an issue. But if you also want your PC case to look great, then you can go with something like the best white PC cases down below, which have been chosen as per 3 points: motherboard compatibility, side panel and CPU cooler, and GPU compatibility. Even though all of these points are some of the most important ones when you are talking about the best white PC cases, there is still much more to consider. As a result, we are giving the information of the best white PC cases along with their features and reviews. The first one is NZXT H510 Elite Premium Mid-Tower ATX case. USB 3.1 Generation 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel makes it easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, and the latest peripherals to your PC. Includes 2 hue, 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support 0 decibel modes for voltage regulated or PWM fans. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar and uninterrupted tempered glass panels also showcase your stunning build. Use the intuitive NZXT Cam application to monitor and control your build, choosing from presets or custom controls for your RGB lighting and fans to create your dream PC. Front I/O USB Type-C port, dual tempered glass vertical GPU mount and two 140mm AER RGB 2 fans are included. It supports Mini ITX, Micro ITX and ATX. The second one is Cooler Master Box TD500 Mesh ATX Mid-Tower. Polygonal mesh features a 3-dimensional contour and is also capable of simultaneously providing high airflow and dust filtration. A crystalline tempered glass side panel dons a crystalline design, precision engineered for strength as well as aesthetics. 3 included addressable RGB fans flood the build with lighting while providing considerable airflow. For enthusiast-grade cooling, 2360mm radiators are supported on the top and front panel to keep the most extreme systems cool. The third one is Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB tempered glass ATX case. Compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ITX keyboard, and this is made out of steel. Features a tempered glass side panel and this comes with 3 x 120mm RGB front fans. Works with 360mm front, 360mm top, 120mm rear radiators. Compatible with up to 180mm tall CPU cooler and 380mm long GPU. Offers 4 x 2.5 inch and 3 x 3.5 inch drive bays. The fourth one is Pure Base 500DX Mid-Tower ATX case. High airflow intake front panel and top cover for maximum performance. ARGB LED at the front and inside the case. USB 3.1 Type-C Generation 2 for latest hardware is provided. Water cooling ready for radiators of up to 360mm, compatible with ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards. This case is made out of steel and this features a tempered glass side panel. The last but not the least, Montec X2 Mesh in ATX Mid-Tower case. The X2 Mesh's design is inspired from the iconic Apple iPhone 4 with the mesh and front frame in perfect proportion. Full transparent tempered glass side panel that can showcase your build. 3 pre-installed rainbow LED fans, 140mm fans into 2 at the front and 1 into 120mm fan at rear. Fans are fixed light and not controllable. The fine mesh front panel along with 2 strong 140mm provide massive air intake.